Hi, I'm Siddharth and in this video I will show you how to update your payment methods and billing information in Strique. It's actually super quick and super easy. So let's get started. So once you are on the live dashboard, start by selecting the organization for which you want to update the billing and tax information. So click on your organization, then head over to the settings section right here. Inside settings, open the plans and billing section. Then here you can click on the billing info button. So after you click on it, under the payment methods tab, you will see a button to update your payment method. Click on it and this will take you to a page where you can add or update your card details. So just click on add payment method, enter your new card details and you're good to go. So once you have updated your payment method, you can go back to the page and here you will see an option to update your billing information. Click on it, then you will get an option to add your tax ID. Just select your ID type from the drop down menu, enter the details, and if needed you can add another ID as well. Once everything is filled out, hit save and that's it. Your payment and tax details are now updated in Strique. And if you have any further queries or doubts, you can contact us at hello@strique.io. Thanks for watching this video.